is the right undertone for me. It'll be like something is off, like making sure the product stays where you put it. Demarcation, the lines, it looks horrible. Okay, starting with eyebrows, and I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna go with concealer. I'm gonna use an angle brush. I'm gonna take some of my brightening concealer just to clean up a little bit. It as close as possible to my eyebrows. Just like that. A fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend it in. Miss Dana Sumeric and color primary red. So because I don't have much eyelid, I'm just placing it like right in my like right there where my lashes meet. It's almost like an eyeliner situation I'm thinking of doing, but I'm not sure yet. With desert rose, I'm adding this. It's almost like a transition shade to soften the edges. So I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer just to soften the edges. That's it. I'm going to add my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes on. Primer from Miss Dana Sumeric. Gonna blurs these pores. Oil throughout my T-zone. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna use NARS. Hopefully the shade match. Doing tapping motion. I'm gonna use this too. It's the right undertone for me. If it's not the right undertone for you, it might be your shade, but it's not the right undertone. Your makeup is not gonna look good. It's gonna be like something is off. Like that's why having the right undertone of your bronzer, foundation, concealer is so important. This is a beautiful shade. As you can see, it's the same shade as my eyes. That's pretty. And these two right here, I'm very surprised. They are the perfect undertone for me. And because of that, like I'm so not putting them down. And my bridge right here. And right here. We're just blending. You're not moving the product around when you're blending. You're actually doing tapping motion and making sure the product stays where you put it. And now we're gonna take the foundation brush and then start working on the demarcation, the lines, to remove all the lines. And then I'm going to take the bronzer again to put the bronzer where it was before, and then also again go again with the line. But that's something I hate to see when there's a line between, like you can tell someone just contoured their nose and they just leave it like that without blending. It looks horrible. I'm getting ready to set my face. I'm gonna go under my eyes to remove the creasing because I have a natural fold right here. And you know, Miss Huda Beauty, of course, my favorite setting powder. Okay, so I'm taking the powder right here and I'm gonna take it to my hand to smooth it out. We don't want patchy. And I'm gonna hurt. Instantly blur, like, can you see that? Can you tell? My nose, and my cheek, my forehead. So I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use Curve Case palette again. So I'm gonna take this shade for my blush shade, and I'm bringing it. Okay, I'm gonna add the last two, and I'm going to set my bronzer. We'll take Micro Smooth Sephora, and then I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I'm gonna tie everything together. It's like there's no there's no concealer here and then bronzer here. It's just one face, like everything together. Like that. I'm gonna use Miss Huda Beauty setting spray. I'm just gonna spray it. Make sure you got it. Wow. This blush right here, and I'm gonna add it on the bottom of my eyes. Trying to tie it in. Mascara. Juvia's Place Lips and Color Cola. This is a beautiful brown shade. It's almost look like my skin color. I'm gonna add a little bit of Coffee Bean. Coffee Bean is a little darker. I'm gonna go with this again. So it's like I added on my cheeks, I added on my lips. Made by Metro and Color Star Girl. Just to kind of tone it down a little bit.